Hey guys, this is Jamie from Sans Trees, and today we're in Sans Souci removing a fallen tree. The tree was located out the front of the property with good access, so we brought along a high-ab log truck to lift the last bits out and a van, which helped us drag everything around to where we could position the truck. The order of process for this job was a lot easier because the tree had fallen in a storm, and then we just had to cut it up into manageable pieces for our Avant to bring out. So today my crew, I've got Jake driving the Avant. We're training him up in that, it's getting a lot better. George, the truck driver and second in charge, and Tyrese riding shotgun. At this job site there's not too many risks for us. Getting in, of course, we're careful of the wires, but our trucks are well under that. And there was pedestrian access around the front, so we just monitored that as we went, made sure no one was moving while we were doing any lifting. When we remove logs, I tend to try and lift a ridiculous sized log, and if it won't lift, then I'll cut it in half. So this one ended up in two, but I've got a lot of faith in it. Thanks for watching again, guys.